Who got hit? I'm lobbing it. I'm gonna move up to that barrier, okay?
Go.
What's up? Where?
It's a friendly over there in the middle.
Thank you. Hey, ECC, where you guys want to go?
Make one that way, I believe.
Into the brush? We just gotta assault the town, right? They're all in the town?
Can someone radio in the middle see what's going on? Everybody in the middle. Yo, what are you doing? Oh, you pinned down?
I'm coming behind you, Stu.
Yeah, I got you covered.
Thank you.
Got him.
I got you. Let's go, Logan. You and me.
Skorpion, go first.
I've got the Skorpion.
We can move from here. Go, then move, then go. Give me cover. They see us, dude.
Yeah, they do. They're firing at us. Yeah.
Fuck, hit.
I just know I'm being shot at from over there.
Roger.
Hey, we've got a guy in the green building. Come to me. Crawl to me. I don't have the range to get him. You can't get him from where you're at. The brush is in the way. You gotta stand up where I am. Crawl to me, quick. Trust me. You won't get shot. Alright. Green building right in front of us. There's a guy. Taking fire. Did you see him?
Got him.
You got him? Is he really hit? Oh, nice. This didn't have the range for that. Ready? I'm moving to where that guy is. Ready? On that short range swag. Yeah.
Get down.
Oh, thanks. I'm basically worthless at far range, so.
You guys are.
Oh,
You guys are. Yeah.
right about to stick my head up.
Yeah, watch.
Keep that guy pinned, okay?
Yep.
Should I try to rush him?
If you want. I mean, I'll try and give you cover. Yep.
He's right behind it, right? Yeah, pin him down, okay? Alright?
Yep.
Yo, little swag, okay?
Wait.
Hit!
Wait. Yo. Don't pop out. I'm gonna shoot.
In the building.
Yo, give me some cover. I'm coming to you. Give me cover on your right side.
You got a grenade? Anybody got a grenade?
No. He has a grenade.
Who has the grenade?
Throwing it.
Who does?
That kid.
Stu?
No, not Stu. The other kid next to him.
Somebody throw a grenade. Oh, snap. Your battery's dead?
Yep.
Yo. Hey.
Oh, sweet.
Hey. Nick.
Oh, Aaron, you're...
I'm rushing. I'm suiciding, okay? Survive. For me. Guys, stop. I gotta pop this head out.
Slid like
I know.
4 feet.
Oh, was that a ricochet or was I hit? Because it looked like it bounced off the tire to me, but I can't be sure.
Where? I'd call that one a running stop.
Maybe if all of us started shooting. Alright,
Guys, ready to go.
everyone start shooting.
Where you guys going? But if my left's clear though. Is there anybody in the left building?
Yeah, that's why. They're
Then
keeping
you cover that side. I'll cover that building.
You and me both gotta put down fire because this has no
3,
fire.
2, 1, go!
Hit.